Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share a pizza dough recipe with you all. So let's get started. Whisk warm water, yeast, sugar together in a bowl. Allow it to rest for 10 minutes. Once it doubles and becomes frothy, it's ready to use. In a large vessel, add in flour, mixed herbs and salt. Mix it well with hands. Now add in the yeast mixture. Using a wooden spoon, mix flour till it all binds together. Add olive oil at this stage. Bring dough together using the wooden spoon. Turn dough onto a working surface. Put some flour on dough and knead it for 5 minutes. It will be sticky at this point. Using lightly floured hands, knead dough. With palm of your hands, pull the dough and fold it back. Knead dough for good 5 to 7 minutes. If it slowly bounces back and doesn't stick to the platform, it's ready to use. If not, keep kneading for another 5 to 7 minutes. Shape it into a ball. Lightly grease a large bowl with olive oil. Place dough in it and cover with a wet kitchen towel. Rest it for 2 hours or until doubles in size. Let's check our dough. It has been some time. Wow, it has risen so well. Punch it to release any air bubbles. Divide dough into 4 portions, ball of approximately 150 grams each. You can use this dough for different applications like garlic bread and assorted pizzas. If you have liked this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. I will see you soon in the next one. Happy baking!